Good morning, everyone. How you doing? I hope you're all doing excellent. How you doing, Jeff?
Bouncy.
That's because we're pulling a trailer with our little beauty back there, heading up to Sevenstock. As you guys know, she does run and drive, but she doesn't do it very well over a long distance so far, so we're trailering up. We're excited. We're probably about 30 minutes out. We're going to get her unloaded into the show, and while we're there, we're hoping to enjoy the camaraderie of some Rotary Bros, obviously. I'm hoping to get some ideas for stuff to do to the RX-7 and how to do things. Maybe look at some new products and show you guys some of the awesome builds that showed up to this year's Sevenstock. So we'll be right back when we're unloading the car. Alright, so we just arrived, got unloaded. These gentlemen are struggling over here, they're borrowing our jack. And FC's here looking great. Finding a nice idle. Hell yeah. Wish we had some trim. Looking so good.
World's better than when we first got the car originally. So for the past, what? We've had the car for almost 20 years?
Yeah.
Best it's ever looked.
Absolutely. I love these wheels. Just finished putting our shameless self-promotion all over the vehicle. Parked in the middle of FC heaven, so I'm going to come back a little later and check this out in detail, get some good ideas. Top priority for me is finding a hat.
I got one.
I want a souvenir hat.
I got a special deal. I worked this situation with the transport company, and essentially my first car. They had to move a couple large around, and I drove there and it worked out. And I was like, 8 years.
Sure, there's this awesome four-rotor all-wheel drive FD. But did you see this purple pink FC? Oh my god! Alright, so I was able to get a hat, as you can see. Good souvenir. Already got a bag of goodies and just got a picture and an autograph from Amamiya-san, from Ari Amamiya, which is amazing. And just got to chit-chat with John Vargas. You can see him from the Hoonigan content in his own channel with Angel Motorsports. So really great event so far. And right over here is a FC that is like exactly what we're aiming for with our build. So check it out. You can kind of see when we finish what the future will be. Such a beautiful specimen. All original. Accurate reserved. 1984 Mazda RX-7. For those of you who don't know, that's the year I was born. So yes, I'm dating myself. I probably look as good still as this car does.
Should you put some armor all on your tires?
We've got the FC here, 10th anniversary, 1988, I think. Crystal white, it's the same color we're painting. RFC, yep, 1988 anniversary edition. Another thing about that is that's the year this big fella was born.
Spirit arm.
And the Spirit Arm, beautiful. 2002. One of our family